Hey, Dr. Shakib here from Irvine Spine and Wellness Center, your Irvine chiropractor. I'm going to talk to you about personal trainers, my opinion on hiring a personal trainer, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Let's talk about personal training. Am I a big fan of personal training? Absolutely yes. At the right time. So many times people have issues, and this actually happens more with people who want to improve their posture and look good, or they just want to buff up and they get a personal trainer. Almost like sometimes these personal trainers become more like cheerleaders. That is really not their role. Personal trainers, if you were to look at the different, like a chiropractor, physical therapist, same position, and personal trainers, if we were to look at all three of these and compare them to education, when it comes to, a lot of times when it comes to injuries and issues, we the doctors are the point of entry. Where you have an issue, we want to address the pain. That's almost like grade level, like elementary school. Then you get out of pain. Now we need to strengthen what was weak that led to that problem. So that becomes more of a exercise rehab, which we do in the office. Absolutely, we do that in the office. And in my practice, we do brain-based neurology and posture, which is not done at all, generally speaking, because that's just not the protocol that is used, but I see great result as a result of it. So it's not about what I do, this is about what needs to be done. So we find out what exercises for the physical body and for the brain, the command center, have to be done in order for the performance of that joint, that muscle, that body part to actually improve. Now that we've improved it, now the next step is to really up the game and increase the strength properly. That's when you go see a personal trainer. Personal trainers, if it was an education line, would be more like equivalent to a college degree. That doesn't mean, I'm not talking about the college degree of personal trainers. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm just comparing this path to the path of education. So if you have an issue, and let's say you have a shoulder problem, don't get a personal trainer to increase the strength in your shoulder, because you first need to find out if the biomechanics, the movement within the shoulder joint is proper. If not, clean it up and really get it in a top shape. That's when you come to me, and I will do the different adjustments, the different functional rehab, different physical therapy that we do in the office. For that, then I refer you to the personal trainer that you can find out, or the ones that I recommend. And a good personal trainer actually looks for the form. They're not cheerleaders. That's not what their training is. Get yourself, I don't know, maybe there's an app that you can get and cheer yourself up. That's not the point. The role of a personal trainer, a good personal trainer, is to watch for your form as you're upping your strength training game. And that's when you should be seeing a personal trainer. I see so many people who come to me as a result of injury they had with a personal trainer. I'm not saying that's what the personal trainer's fault is, but my gosh, if the joint itself, if the body part itself is not in the position it needs to be, it doesn't have the help of the surrounding soft tissue, the muscles, ligaments, etc., that give it stability, well then what's going to happen is you're going to injure yourself, and then you're going to end up here, and then that basically puts you off with your training, and it's very discouraging. So hope that this helped. I keep getting the question, do I like personal trainers or not? I love personal trainers. I think there is an absolute value in the good personal trainer, and there are so many good personal trainers out there. It's just, don't go to sit in a college class when you don't have a high school or junior high level education. You're gonna fail. So make sure you're in the right place before you start seeing your personal trainer. Hope that this helped. If you enjoyed what you saw, subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's nothing to lose. You just see the videos that are intended to educate you with prevention in mind. And if you actually hurt yourself, there's so many things you can do on your own. And of course, if you need help, you can always contact me. I'll make sure that all the points of contact are included in the description box. Don't hesitate to send me a private message to suggest any videos that you want to see. And do know that you are the designer and the director of your own life. So design and direct it the way you wish to live it. You take care.